I noticed a problem with the truck. Maybe to do it. Every now and then, sounds like a puff of air is coming out only on the passenger side motor, which is, you know, the odd numbers on 1, 3, 5, and 7. Every now and then it'll make a pop noise. Which is, you know, this one right here. Let's see if it'll do it. For some reason, when decelerating, it sounds horrible. When it's decelerating, it just sounds like a bunch of air coming out. I'm gonna put the camera right here so y'all can listen to it. There we go. For some reason, when it decelerates, it just sounds like a bunch of air coming out. Hope some of y'all guys know what's wrong with it. Other than that, the engine runs good. There's a couple of times that it shut off on me, but the RPM drops to about 500, and then it just dies on me when I turn it in or at a stoplight. It just turns off. It just shuts down. Like the RPM drops to 5, and then the RPM just starts jumping them down, and then it just dies. So I don't know what's wrong with it. So